Are you ready to take your travel game to the next level? Whether you're an adventurous explorer or a seasoned globetrotter, having the right tech gadgets can make all the difference between a smooth journey and a travel nightmare. From keeping your devices charged to ensuring you stay connected, these travel gadgets in 2024 are designed to enhance your adventures. So pack your bags, charge up your gadgets, and let's dive into the must-have devices for your next adventure. Number 10. Smartwatch, your ultimate travel companion. Why carry around maps and itineraries when you can wear them on your wrist? Smartwatches have become an essential travel accessory thanks to their versatility and convenience. In this year, they have evolved into much more than just fitness trackers. They're now your personal travel assistant. Imagine navigating through a crowded city or hiking up a remote mountain trail with turn-by-turn directions right on your wrist. No more awkwardly fumbling with your phone while trying to look cool. The latest models offer GPS, heart rate monitoring, and notifications for calls, texts, and social media, ensuring you stay connected no matter where you are. And let's not forget about the health features. From tracking your steps to monitoring your sleep, a smartwatch helps you stay on top of your wellness goals, even when indulging in vacation treats. It's like having a tiny personal trainer cheering you on while you explore the world. With water-resistant designs, you can take it from the pool to the mountains, making it the ultimate adventure buddy. Number 9. Portable water purifier. Hydration without hesitation. Picture this. You're deep in the heart of a lush jungle or trekking through a remote desert, and your water supply is running low. Enter the portable water purifier, your knight in shining armor. Or should we say, filtration device. Gone are the days of worrying about questionable water sources. The LifeStraw, one of the top purifiers of this year, filters out 99% of bacteria and viruses, ensuring you stay hydrated and healthy no matter where your travels take you. Whether you're sipping from a mountain stream or a questionable tap, these compact purifiers give you peace of mind. They're incredibly easy to use, just sip directly from the source. Plus, with their lightweight and portable design, they won't take up much space in your bag. So go ahead, take that off the beaten path adventure. With a water purifier in your backpack, dehydration isn't a concern. Number 8. Universal travel adapter. Plug in everywhere. Different countries, different plug types, it's like the world conspired to confuse travelers. But fear not, the Universal Travel Adapter is here to save the day. These nifty little devices allow you to plug into power outlets in over 150 countries, ensuring that your gadgets stay charged no matter where you are. The Epic Universal Travel Adapter, for example, is a traveler's best friend. Not only does it accommodate multiple plug types, but it also comes with USB ports, so you can charge multiple devices at once. Imagine landing in a new country, exhausted and jet-lagged, only to find your phone on 1% battery and the local plug looks like it came from another planet. That's where the Universal Adapter shines. It ensures you're never caught off guard by incompatible outlets. Whether you're traveling for work or leisure, this gadget is an absolute must-have. Number 7. Compact camera drone. Capture epic aerial shots. In a world where everyone's snapping selfies, why not take your travel photography to the next level? A compact camera drone allows you to capture stunning aerial shots that will leave your friends in awe. The latest models are lightweight, foldable, and easy to carry, making them perfect for travelers who want to capture every angle of their adventure. Imagine soaring above a tropical beach or getting a bird's-eye view of a historic city. Drones let you capture moments from a perspective most people can only dream of. With advanced stabilization features, even amateur pilots can capture smooth cinematic footage. Whether you're a travel vlogger or just want to take your Instagram game to new heights, a drone is the ultimate travel accessory. Number 6. E-reader. A whole library in your backpack. Traveling light often means sacrificing your beloved books, but with an e-reader, you can carry your entire library with you without adding extra weight to your bag. The latest e-readers, like the Kindle Paperwhite, come with glare-free screens, waterproof designs, and long battery life, making them perfect for reading on the beach, by the pool, or during a long flight. Gone are the days of stuffing paperbacks into your suitcase. Now you can have thousands of books at your fingertips, ready to keep you entertained on your journey. And for the eco-conscious traveler, e-readers are a sustainable option, cutting down on paper waste while still allowing you to indulge in your reading habits. Number 5. Travel translator device. No more lost in translation. Traveling to a foreign country can be daunting, especially when you don't speak the language. But with a travel translator device, communication becomes a breeze. These pocket-sized gadgets offer real-time translation in multiple languages, allowing you to navigate new cities, order food, and make friends with ease. In this year, these devices have become more sophisticated, offering not only voice translations but also text translations for signs and menus. Some models even work offline, ensuring you're never left without help, even when you're off the grid. It's like having a personal interpreter in your pocket, no awkward hand gestures required. Number 4. Portable power bank. Your lifeline in the digital age. Let's face it, our lives revolve around our devices, especially when we're traveling. Whether it's for navigation, photography, or staying in touch with loved ones, a dead phone is every traveler's worst nightmare. That's where a portable power bank comes in. The Anker PowerCore 10,000 Redux is small but mighty, capable of charging your smartphone multiple times. No more hunting for outlets at the airport or panicking when your GPS drains your battery. With a power bank in your bag, you'll always have a backup plan. It's a travel essential that ensures you're never left stranded without power. Number 3. Noise-canceling headphones. Block out the world. Whether it's a crying baby on a plane or the constant hum of city life, noise-canceling headphones are a game-changer for travelers. The Bose Quiet Comfort Earbuds IU are the top pick for 2024, offering adaptive noise cancellation that adjusts to your surroundings in real time. These headphones let you block out distractions and immerse yourself in your favorite music, podcast, or audiobook. Travel can be stressful, but with noise-canceling headphones, you can create your own bubble of calm wherever you are. Whether you're on a long-haul flight, a crowded train, or simply trying to unwind in your hotel room, these headphones are your escape from the chaos. Number 2. Portable Wi-Fi hotspot. Stay connected anywhere. In the digital age, staying connected is crucial, and a portable Wi-Fi hotspot ensures that you're never without internet access, no matter where your travels take you. The latest models offer faster speeds, broader coverage, and the ability to connect multiple devices at once, making them perfect for both solo travelers and those on group trips. Whether you're sharing your travel photos on social media, navigating through a new city, or keeping in touch with family, a portable hotspot keeps you connected. And with flexible data plans, you can ensure that you're not overpaying for connectivity. Number 1. Smart luggage. The future of travel. And finally, the pièce de résistance smart luggage. Imagine a suitcase that not only holds your belongings, but also charges your devices, tracks its own location, and locks itself securely. Mono's smart luggage, with its sleek design and innovative features, is the ultimate travel companion. Equipped with GPS tracking, USB ports, and a removable battery pack, this luggage is designed for the modern traveler. No more standing around baggage claim wondering if your suitcase decided to go on its own adventure. With smart luggage, you can track your bag's every move, ensuring that you and your belongings arrive at the same destination. It's the future of travel, and once you try it, you'll never want to go back to regular luggage. That's all for today's video. If you've enjoyed this deep dive into travel tech and are now dreaming of becoming a high-tech traveler yourself, don't forget to hit that like button. And hey, just like smart luggage that never leaves your side, make sure to subscribe so you never miss out on more tips, tricks, and gadgets for your next adventure.